Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make music sounds muffled on Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Capcut application and just add the project, or you can also add the video on your phone. And after you got that, you need to go add the music for your video project. You can just go click this audio and add sounds to add the music. And for the next thing, which is to make the music sounds muffled, you just need to go click the music part here. And now you just need to go click this music part again, and you can see there is a voice effects right here, so you just need to go click it. And to get the muffled effect, you go to the retro, and after that you just need to slide into the left side this part until you find the microphone. And whenever you found the microphone, go click it, and here is the result. So that is the way, guys, how to make your music sounds muffled on the Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.